guys, welcome to another video. So today I have had a surprise parcel turn up from Madam Glam. What do you think's inside? Can anyone guess? It is Madam Glam's new pudding gels. Look at these colours, guys. These look right up my street, these colours. So there's 10 colours in the collection. And like I said, these are the pudding gels. So inside you've got your little protective lid. And these are the ones that don't move. You can shake them about, knock them about. They do not move. Really nice product these are. I love these square pots. They are so cute. So you get 5ml. Just like all Madam Glam gels, these are also vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and Hema-free. So not only are they a beautiful product, but they're also really good quality as well. Like I normally do, I'm going to swatch these, probably do a couple in real time, and then I'll speed through the rest of them. And then I want to do a little design using them to show you what they're like for nail art. So I've got all my swatch sticks ready. Let's get swatching, shall we? So the first one is Turquoise Blue. You only need a tiny bit of this, guys. It's super pigmented. Like, that was way too much. I did not need all that at all. Oh, look at that. Beautiful colour. And these pudding gels cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next one is Pastel Yellow. Again, really pretty colour. Next one is Fresh Peach. I love that one. That is a really, really pretty peach. I don't think I've got anything that light. It's really pretty. Then we've got Mint Green. Again, that's a really pretty pastel green. Really like that colour. Then we've got Celeste Blue. Gorgeous baby blue. Next one is French Lilac. Gorgeous. And we've got Tulip Pink. Lemon Yellow. Oh, look at that one. That has probably got to be my favourite, you know. That is so bright. I love that. Next one is Spring Green. Oh no, that's definitely my favourite one actually. Look at that one. I love that. Definitely my favourite so far. And the last one is Bright Purple. Wow, look at that one. Oh, now I am a bit torn. Right, guys, I'm going to get this one in the lamp. Then I'm going to get them top coated because I want to show you them matte and shiny. So I'm going to get them all top coated and then we'll come back and take a look at the colours. And I'll see what kind of design I want to do with them. So that is them all swatched. What do you think? I really like them. Obviously, I love the pastels, but I'm loving these three as well. These three are, especially this green. This green is beautiful. Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot. And they're really nice to apply as well. These pudding gels are perfect for beginners because you've got no chance of flooding the cuticle with them. I'm just trying to think what kind of design I want to do with them now. I think I want to show you how to ombre with them because these ombre really, really nice. So I think I'm going to do a bit of an ombre with them. I'm only probably going to use a couple of the colours today though. So I'm going to get it set up, guys, and I'll pop back in a minute. Right, guys, so I've already done a coat of Madam Glam's Spring in Paris on these 4 tips. So that's going to be my base colour. And then I've gone over them with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. So that's my base all done. Now I want to show you doing an ombre with these pudding gels. So I'm going to pop some of this Celeste blue on my palette. Then I'm just using a normal makeup sponge. And I'm just going to dab that sponge onto the tip. Now you'll see that I'm starting at the very tip of the nail first. And as I make my way up the nail, I'm not going to be applying as much pressure. And that's going to make the colour not as bright. So that's the first nail done. Also, if I find that there's too much colour halfway up the nail, I'll then use a part of the sponge that's got no gel on it, a clean part of the sponge, and then I'll dab on the area where I want to remove some of the colour, and that'll just soak some of the gel up. This is such an easy way to do an ombre, guys, and these gel paints are perfect for this. So I'm going to show you me doing all 4 nails of this first layer. I know you can barely see this layer, guys, but don't worry, it will build up, and you'll notice on the second layer there's so much more colour, it's so much more vibrant. So don't try to load it up because you're not going to get the same effect. You need to do this in layers to get that perfect fade. So we're on the 3rd nail now. I'll show you one last one. This is the 4th. And then the 2nd and 3rd layer, I'm just going to show you me doing the 1 nail just so you can see the colour building up. So this is the 2nd layer. Can you see how that colour's building up so much more on your 2nd coat? I do also find as well, guys, that doing this over a matte surface, I tend to get a better fade as well. Now can you see there, I'm using a part of the sponge that's clean. It's because I thought there was too much colour where that fade needs to be. So I've just removed some of that excess gel. Now we're on to the 3rd layer, and this is the final layer. And I'm not really worrying about the fade too much on this layer. It's more about building the colour up on the tip. And then once I'm happy with that, I should pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And that is all the fades done. So now I'm going to use Turquoise Blue. I'm going to pop a little bit of that on my palette. So I've pulled out my liner brush. And I'm just going to do some swirls. And I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. I'm just going to show you me doing one more nail with this turquoise blue because it's the same process on all 4 nails. Feel that? And then I pulled out Madam Glam's white gel paint. I'm going to pop a little bit of that on my palette. And I'm just going to do some swirls either side of this line. just going to do one line for now, because I think I might do something different yet. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to go over all 4 nails with the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. So now I'm using the Madam Glam's Perfect White Gel Polish. I'm just going to do this over that top coat. And I'm not going to cure that, because into that uncured gel polish I'm going to sprinkle some of this silver holographic fine glitter, which is from Charlie's Nail Art. Like that. Just give it a little tap, try and get it to soak into that gel polish. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Now I'm going to give that a double cure, guys. I want to make sure that it cures through that glitter. So I'm going to do the exact same on the rest of these 3 nails, and then that'll be them done. So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? I just wanted to do a quick, easy little design showing you what these pudding gels are like for nail art, how easy they ombre. They ombre so nice with a sponge, guys. It fades so well when you sponge it. Like I normally do, guys, I'm going to leave all the links in my description box below. I'll also pin them in the comments as well. You'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen there is my Madam Glam discount code, GG30. Remember to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 30% off. Madam Glam also do a VIP membership as well. If anyone's interested in finding out more about that, click my Madam Glam website link and you'll find all the information that you need to on that. So that is all the swatches as well. This is all of the colours out of the collection. And I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me the whole collection as well. That was a really, really nice surprise parcel today. Thank you so much. I think that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.